I haven't seen this thing in a good while, by the way. My code, I haven't seen it in a good while. So let's
Mm.
just see. Uh, okay, these are the preparations. I won't go into detail. Installing Node, text editor, creating files, creating JavaScript files. Okay, commands. Fair. Let me test these out. Let me test these out. Uh, do 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 do.
Because look, why don't you just a setup and then some basic JavaScript? But I think you isn't this number 3? Oh
This,
wait, mate.
yeah, it has an extended version of number 3, by the way.
That's maybe why I didn't have a number 2 and added a number 3, because I probably just combined them.
You always do. Knowing you, you always do.
Yeah.
Uh, let me say, what is this thing? Node. There's messages. Chief, I won't lie.
Mm-hmm.
No. Okay, this is what I need. This is why I put these comments there. Because I
No,
knew I
but
would forget. Open Node.
does it return anything? Oh, it just loads the exports.
Yeah, we're starting with like the pure basics of basics.
Hmm.
And that's why I put it there, because I knew I would forget. Is there anything different? I think
I mean,
Control
it's all
C.
very basic. It's just like logging.
Yeah, there isn't much happening here, to be honest.
That's just JavaScript all over again.
Yeah, like it's bridging the gap between the old and the new, and
Mm.
yeah, it doesn't do much. A little hello universe. This thing does the same, but then loads the message from, the cache via array. This
Mm.
is okay. This is slightly different. Okay, let me do this one.
Yeah, that's the one where you log it in a loop.
Positive messages to JS. Oh, the M is capital. Wait, let me do this. Okay. I need to see something because my PC fan was on.
Mhm.
Why was it on? I have no idea. Sometimes you might find that there's a technical issue, so I had to make sure. But then, yeah,
Yeah,
that is the
but
message.
you also have to actually wait. Just type in node
Okay.
positive messages.js, because now you're just loading the file, so you're just showing it.
Give me a second. Node. Bam.
There we go. Because you see, the first time it was just loading the file.
Where did I do that?
No, no. Well,
Oh
you
yeah,
probably were just
node
following the
hello.
Yeah, you just following the book's example.
Because I need to see all. What is this thing? All variations. There's this one that automatically loads it via node, and then there's the one that you do it internally in the open node app, and then there's this one whereby you do it externally but then you give it a source. Okay, we've covered
Yeah, I don't know.
everything.
I just usually use the node.
I like variations, man, because sometimes
Mm.
it's good to know variations because your PC could misbehave anytime, genuinely anytime. Um,
Well,
where is the thing? Let me do this. Close this. Close this. Uh, node messages. We are we're exporting. Oh yeah, print message. That is the one I need. Print messages to JS. Okay, let's see what we have. Oh yeah, from this thing. I love this
basically.
feature.
Yeah.
No man. Open to the side. Yes, I love this feature so much. Like even if you don't have two screens, you can still do this. So nice, so nice.
Yeah.
Lifesaver. So exporting these things, we are requiring them in here. Go for each loop. You console log them out via this given variable. Then all as well. 1 and 2. Oh, and 3 are done. Oh,
Yeah.
besides this one, besides the main one for 3. What's happening here? Let me see.
Now that's the city one, where you start actually using dependencies.
Okay, let me do this. Open integrated terminal. Let's test it out. You can save your code and then believe that it works, and then after a while, because I actually updated my systems, it still works. What's the code that you tried on your thing?
2740.
2740.
Try 1110.
Okay.
Just see what it gives us. No, okay. Try 37165.
37115.
37165.
Okay.
I think, because I'm trying to remember the ones that I used when I did this while back. Because I got like a list of a bunch of American cities. No, okay, then just use 2740.
3740.
27.
2740.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That is good. That is very, very good. You see, one thing I like about my wow, and I told now that the extensions are not necessary. One thing I like about my VS Code extensions, they will remind you that Chief, you need to update, because the only thing I changed is this thing, and then I actually saved it, and then it tells me just commit. You can commit, you can push, you can sync, you can amend, do as you please. So I'll actually take it back to the original and then save it, and then bam, it's gone, because it's the same thing that is on the cloud.
Yeah.
Okay man, I won't lie, certain like plugins are dope. You can see your repositories and how much you've been, you know, committing. There's a graph. If there's one like extension that I don't regret, it's this one.
But this one comes by default, doesn't it?
No.
Does
You
it?
have to install it. You have to set it up. It's made by GitLens.
I'm pretty sure mine comes by default, or maybe mine's a bit different.
You had to
Jonathan comes by default.
You had to install it via GitLens, by the way.
Mine came with something. Yeah, mine came default.
Extension type. I had no extensions. I won't lie. There wasn't a single extension in here. I built it brick by brick, and it's dope. Love it. Okay, let me do 4, and then I think we can call it a day.
Yeah.
What's happening in here? This is why I have comments. because we go a whole lot, like a long time without actually dealing with this.
Mhm.
So let me just do this. Okay, that is good. The server is alive and well. Let's see if it actually functions. What's the thing again? Localhost. Chief, it's been a while. It's been too long. Hello,
There we go.
universe. That is good. That is good.
So any response it gets from the URL is just going to return that message.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then this is the feedback we have. The requiring of the statuses, the HTTP and so forth. The 200 Akoi and 200 same thing. Doesn't matter. Um, the thing that is on the front end, our logs, and then it is listening on the supposed port that is on 3000. Do we have any questions, any requests, or are we okay?
Okay.
We are good. Then I think I'll save this and go to get certified.